Haj Majid. I'm from the Madeira School, and this poem is entitled My Story. All they see is a woman in hiding, a woman drowning in oppression. To them there are chains of religiosity that clamp me to the bottom of that so-called intoxicated ocean. They give me looks of pity and wonder to themselves what could have driven her to such a crazy hiding place. Don't you want freedom? Yes. On the outside, that soft, glowing smile remains, but inside I am like a chained monster, a ferocious beast waiting to break free, to not just tell my story, but to shout it so loud the world will never forget that that thing on my head isn't a thing. It's my weapon to the world, a silent knife I pull through the heart of a stereotype, of a cold and ruthless society that seems to only value the outside and wrap around a priceless gift more than the jewel herself. Don't call it a thing or a turban or a rag, because until you understand the true meaning of life, you won't ever understand my full worth and potential. By stepping out onto the American platform, I am sending a challenge out to the world. Me, my long, loose clothes, your tight-lipped smile, tolerate. Because to you, appreciating diversity means laughing about me behind my back. Me, the one who isn't afraid to speak her mind or sing a song or create a masterpiece everyone marvels but never asks. People talk and chat saying this and that, and I'm so here and there, and I cannot believe they don't see the simplicity in my reasons. I'm not trying to be a mediocre girl, I'm becoming a woman. A fair, smart, clever, and creative woman. I'm not oppressed. My way of life is my choosing, and don't ever tell me to go back to where I came from, or ask me if my dad is some sort of terrorist, or ask why don't take the darn thing off because no one's looking anyway. And didn't I tell you it wasn't a thing? It's a hijab. A beautiful, poetic Arabic word that means a safeguarding veil. Because to me, my beauty is real. I know I'm gorgeous. I'm so beautiful I could blow the clouds into a tornado of despair, but would you expose an exquisite rose to the harsh desert winds? Do you leave a diamond out in the open, or do you keep her safe in a glass case waiting for a worthy companion? Modest is sexy. Being me is what can be the most attractive magnet in the Earth's core, because I am American. And if you really want to know, my ancestors were brought here in chains and beaten into obedience because I'm black and I'm prouder than you can ever imagine. Being a minority, I feel that I flourish. And I will do that and so much more because your pitiful stares don't define me. And I don't look down upon the majority. It will just take them more to become more. Because people grow and dance in the arc of a rainbow because it was pouring. It's the setbacks and throwdowns that make you stronger than lightning itself. And you don't know how many setbacks have been strategically placed in my way. But me and my shield, my hijab, my heart, my sword, we will all fight until we win. Thank you.